name is Gerald and welcome back to my channel. It's Las Vegas Motor Speed. Today it's November 27, 2024, day of Wednesday. Today guys, I'm gonna update you regarding what's going on my C8 Corvette 2025 model Stingray. So unfortunately last week I was checking on my car and I found out that there's a paint that is peeling off on my front bumper passenger side on the right hand side, and it's very disappointing because I'm paying an expensive car. And come on Chevy, how's your paint quality? It's so poor and it's very upsetting. So I went to the dealership and showed it to them, and they said they're gonna take care of it. Of course I'm not gonna pay for anything because this car has just been a month for me, and it's a first bad impression with the paint quality. So I'm gonna show you how my front bumper looks like, and it's very disappointing. So before I start this video, I would like to shout out all the viewers and subscribers out there, and for those who haven't been subscribed yet, you can click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you will be notified on my latest vlog. Peace. Okay guys, so this is what I want to show you regarding my paint on my front bumper. So I just noticed this last week when I was checking out my car, and so disappointed and very upsetting because the paint quality is not really good, how they painted this car on the factory. And yeah, look at that. Come on Chevy, what's going on? This is supposed to be top notch, and they said they're gonna repaint the whole bumper, and I'm gonna wait for probably a week, hopefully not. Look at that folks, oh my god, it is bad. It's bad impression, first impression with this paint quality control. So this is my car right here in the dealership fairway. They said they're gonna do it probably in a week, which is quite long. I understand because it's holiday, so we'll see in a week. Badass. Okay guys, so right now we're here at the dealership waiting for my loaner car because I don't have any other vehicle to use, unfortunately. I'm still upset or mad about my C8 Corvette. The paint quality is not really good, so it's like, come on, what's going on? Hello guys, I'm back. This is Gerald. So this is my loaner car, which they provided to me from the dealership while waiting for my C8 Corvette to be painted on my front bumper because of that poor paint quality control. It's very upsetting, but it is what it is. So thank you. It's caught in the crossfire.